Okay, hi, we are back. Uh, in previous video, I just show you how to dismantle this Zundapp KS600. 600 is fastest German motorcycle, one of the two fastest motorcycle in German army, or even before war in civilian bikes. And I was thinking to replace actually this kickstart gear, one of the kickstart gears. But later I just find out I got a couple of new gears. As you can see, brand new gears. This is actually quite good, very good shape, without any damage, and this one's sitting exactly on that, and is, as I can see, all the way around, it's fine. Gearbox itself is okay. I mean, it's not excellent. It's 88 years old. I mean, some of the tools are, say, still worthy, but can be replaced. But I mean, overall, it's in good condition. And I just decided to keep this one and just reassemble everything back. I put all chains in the right order, and just decide, I check everything, looks everything decent and fine. I just gonna cover, put everything back, and carry on with preparation for said maybe what I should do while this case is open, maybe just remove, find something, make some kind of mandrel and try to push out these brass bushings, because I received the new shafts. Just a second. And there is loads of play. It's oval, you can see, and it's loads of play, which means that I need to probably replace that and make it, just try to do, push them out, and then machining another bushings. Yeah, okay, I think I'd rather do that now when is everything dismantled than later on when I put the gears and everything. But just to show you, gearbox, I don't know how much you can see. Yeah, and actually, there we go. Has the two dogs, which they are in really good shape. I don't know if they've been previously replaced or not. Looks to me like a genuine piece, but they are in good shape. Everything, sliders. They're a little bit like worn bushes on the side, inside that, and you can a little bit. Okay, and these ones are fine. You need to be, you know, twist a little bit, just on. Actually, everything is in this decent shape. Decent shape, and could run for another many miles, many years. Anyway, I find out I'm quite happy with everything there. Only what I said I want to do is another cover there, which is go on top of here, and is a hole in the cover, as I said previously, is for oiling the clutch plates. I'm gonna cover that hole, and that's it. I'll try to put everything together, everything back together, and it's gonna be ready soon as machining shop finish with resleeving my cylinders, and it can be ready for reassembling all engine and gearbox, and actually meet them together, put them together. Okay, that's fine for a moment. Now as I said, while there is everything apart, I'll try to find out how I can remove these bushings, then try to replace them with new bushings, and I'll show you that later. As soon as I replace that, I'll try to record that just to make sure everything is tight and everything is working as should. While is everything dismantled now in this stage. Okay.